school. My topic is phrase and its kind. Firstly, I will explain now what is phrase. Phrase is a part of a sentence that completes the sentence only when it completed their word. A group of words that make complete sense
Start.
when it is a part of a sentence. So an example of phrase like example. In the sky. In the sky is not a full sentence, it is a half sentence and it's not a meaningful and it's not a create a sentence, so that's why it is not complete sense. So many kinds of phrase. There are three kinds of phrase. First is noun phrase, second is adjective and third is adverb phrase. First is phrase. A group of words does the work of a noun in the sentence. Sentence is called noun phrase.